In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import budgets in Xero step by step. If you want to plan your finances better and keep your business on track, importing budgets is a powerful feature that can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and head to the top menu. From there, click on Accounting, then select Reports. This section is where you'll find all your financial reports and tools. Once you're in the Reports page, look for the option called All Reports and click on it. This will open a full list of available reports in Xero. Scroll down or use the search bar to find Budget Manager, then click on it to open. Now you're inside the Budget Manager. This is where you can create, edit, and import your budgets. If you already have budgets created, you'll see them listed here. But for importing, look toward the bottom or top of the page for the Import option and click on it. At this stage, Xero will prompt you to download a template. You'll usually have two options, CSV or Excel format. Choose the one you're most comfortable with. If you prefer simplicity, go with CSV. If you want more flexibility and easier editing, Excel is usually the better option. After downloading the template, open it on your computer. You'll see a structured format where you need to enter your budget data. This typically includes account codes, account names, and the amounts for each period, such as monthly figures. Take your time filling in this information. Make sure all the data matches your chart of accounts in Xero. Even small mismatches like incorrect account codes or formatting issues can cause errors during the import process. Once you've entered all your data, double-check everything carefully. This step is very important because your reports and financial planning will depend on this data being accurate. After reviewing, save the file in the same format you downloaded. Now, go back to Xero and upload the completed template using the Import option. Xero will process your file and show you a preview or confirmation. If there are any errors, it will highlight them so you can fix them before finalizing the import. Once everything looks good, confirm the import. After that, your budget will be successfully added to Xero. You can now use it to compare actual performance against your planned figures, which is extremely useful for tracking your business progress. A helpful tip is to update your budget regularly. As your business changes, your budget should reflect those changes. This keeps your financial planning realistic and useful. Also, make sure to review your budget reports periodically. This helps you identify trends, control spending, and make better financial decisions moving forward. And that's how you import budgets in Xero. It's a simple process, but it plays a huge role in managing your finances effectively. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to handle budgeting in Xero with confidence.